Hello preachy people, today we're in Gurgaon for another free lunch at Arabian Nights, which is behind me if you can see. Like always, just because we're getting free food does not mean our opinions are for sale. That sounded a little cocky, but trust me, we're not that arrogant. And I say we because today I have Puneet Khanna with me. Say hi to the vlog. Hi preachy people. Yeah. Chala ho gaya. So दोस्तों खूब खाया, बहुत मज़ा आया. और हमने क्या खाया?
Chicken shawarma, rotisserie chicken, some good dips, pita bread, and which they call khabous.
Yeah, khabous.
Yeah.
नहीं khubus.
Okay.
Yeah.
We're not sure about the pronunciation.
देखो रुमाली रोटी नहीं होती वो, तो कभी भी किसी लेबनीज आउटलेट में जाके ये नहीं बोलना कि रुमाली रोटी अच्छी नहीं है. Pita bread is actually a little fluffier than रुमाली रोटी. Please don't compare the two. I don't know why we are doing that.
Yeah.
How was the shawarma?
The shawarma was good. Not that much spicy.
I liked it. It was dry, but see, it was different.
It was different.
Right. We've only had juicy shawarmas.
They gave us sauces as an accompaniment. It wasn't in the shawarma.
Yeah.
This one is tahini.
This is the hummus, and then you have baba ganoush. Shawarma tastes pretty nice as it is. The pita might need a little work. The bread, you like how tender it is, and we were just talking. The best part about it is that the garlic is for left you to moderate in the hummus. It's not right here inside the chicken. Now there's a story behind this. One of the favorite places that we've been to for shawarma is called Piccadilly. It's in Mumbai, and the thing about that place and that shawarma is that it's loaded with garlic cloves. And when you have it, it really burns you from the inside. But this is something that doesn't happen with you when you're having shawarma at Arabian Nights, because you can moderate your garlic intake with the hummus that's provided to you, and you can balance it out with the tahini and the baba ganoush sauces. And अगर आसानी से समझना है, then it's pretty simple. एक चटनी चटपटी है, एक चटनी normal है, and एक चटनी थोड़ी खट्टी है. The pickle is something that's very special over here. One thing that stands out here is that this is loaded with vinegar. You won't remember having pickle at any other place, but when you have it over here, it will stay with you. If you're into vinegar. If you hate it, then also it will stay with you because it will hurt you in the throat. I mean,
The good part is it's spicy, but it's not that spicy.
Exactly.
They have used chilies in the vinegar.
Like I was talking about in my last video of the pita pit, it's just the right amount of spicy that it doesn't hurt you in your esophagus, if you remember that one. We're gonna go more candid now because the whole outlet is almost empty. Meet Mr. Arpit.
Hello. I was there and the founder of Let Us Explore. It's a food travel and culture blog. So follow that.
Vinegar up chढ़ गया मेरा.
The chicken is quite tender. It's not raw. It's not underdone. It's not overcooked. It's perfect. See how it breaks.
It's like it's candy floss. Probably a good thing, right?
It is.
I mean, you don't have to believe me, but you can believe him.
I know food.
Hey guys, we're sitting with Mr. Ashish Pratap Singh. He's the owner of Arabian Nights in Gurgaon. So Ashish, are you going to tell us something about yourself?
So firstly, I'm not the owner. I am an unpaid employee here. My wife is the one who owns it. A little bit about the brand. It has been around in Delhi for a little over 26 years.
Okay.
It's a landmark restaurant in South Delhi, in Vasant Vihar. And since I grew up in the neighborhood and I got hooked onto the food from the very first time I had it. It's been a little over 2 years now that my family, we all moved to Gurgaon, and we found this kind of healthy food, Lebanese food, to be missing from the entire gourmet landscape of Gurgaon. And this is when my wife and I got toying with the idea of getting Arabian Nights to Gurgaon.
Okay.
And since we got talking about this to everybody, everyone said that, oh, it's a fantastic idea. And everybody had a very strong brand recall because they associated the brand with fantastic food, quality chicken, and the rotisserie chicken, the flavors which were unparalleled anywhere in there. And this is the first time, by the way, guys, that my wife and I, we ventured into F&B.
Okay.
We are not from this background. I'm from finance/journalism. I have my expertise in F&B is only as much as appreciating what comes in front of me. But my wife is a little bit of a chef at home.
Many cuisines are there in Delhi, the primary being the Mughlai, Chinese, and then comes in the Italian. Why Lebanese?
I have, it's been good about 16 years now that I've been into fitness and health myself.
Yeah.
I'm quite a gym freak. I have my entire friend circle are all gym buddies. So health food is right up there for us. and although Indian, Italian, like you named, and as well as Chinese, they are right up there when it comes to flavors and trying something different for a change, but they cannot be rated healthy anywhere. We wanted to get something here which was healthy, which was non-messy, which was light on the stomach. Even during a 20-minute break during your corporate day, you can grab something, walk around, and really not making a big mess out of it.
Yeah.
And thus we thought Lebanese is the best option. The food that we have here is zero oil, right from marination to the way it's prepared to presented. The entire rotisserie chicken is made in its own fat.
Yeah.
So it is extremely juicy, it's extremely flavorful, though it's not any oil and it is not overwhelming in terms of spices. And so Lebanese was a very distinctive choice because as you might have seen earlier, I am having this chicken twice a day myself.
Shawarmas also tend to get very messy.
Yeah,
in a lot of places, right? And a lot of us have a difficult time eating shawarmas because they keep falling out when you're eating them.
Or they are made a little too saucy.
Yes, yeah. I mean, obviously, desi लोगों को sauce पसंद है ना बहुत. Yeah. नहीं हमको भी. I mean, I'm guilty of that. The treatment of it is what stands out.
Yes. From the way the chicken is marinated to the way boneless is treated for shawarmas to the way even the paneer is marinated or falafels are made for the for the vegans.
Yeah.
Everything is made in house and it's tried and tested and we just get bullseye every time.
When it comes to the Lebanese cuisine specifically, are you someone who wants to stick to the traditional values? You want to bring something that's out there that's not yet here, or do you want to work with what's over here and then fuse it with some other ideas of your own?
So a little bit of both. We have been going on the tried and tested path for all these years now,
Yeah.
and it has worked like a charm for us. But having said that, Gurgaon is the kind of market which loves to experiment. It's full of youngsters and corporate goers. So although they do have a taste for authentic, what is traditional, they also have a liking for what's experimental. So we are working on a little bit of a revived menu. Come next 2 or 3 months, you guys are going to see something which is not there on any Lebanese menu anywhere. We're going to be toying with various flavors, various spices, various marinations, various meats.
Yeah.
Chicken is the only thing which is there now. We're trying to figure lamb as well, so to get a little more.
Yeah, that would be something great.
Yeah.
Guys. You remember Carter Road that had lamb shawarmas and those so lovely.
Yeah.
I mean, if you get something like that in Delhi,
That'll be amazing.
nothing like it.
Yes. We are looking at getting desserts, and one of the gentlemen even suggested getting sherbet on the menu. So yeah, we're going to be playing around with the menu and let's see what's there to be offered.
The food over here is not heavy at all.
Yeah,
like
it's not.
normally you'll go to a Lebanese outlet, you'll have a couple of kebabs and a couple of
and
pita breads with
and you're done.
some shit, and you'll be like, oh my god, pet bhar gaya bhai. But over here, if you have anything, it's all going to be light. You're still going to feel a little light on the stomach.
पेट भर जाएगा, but ऐसा नहीं हो कि बहुत over हो गया. Good food, nice place. Overall, we enjoyed it. We really loved it.
I checked out, you guys gave me a lot of love on the first vlog. Thank you so much for that. If you like the second installment, write down in the comments. Let me know if you want more of these, and you'll get to see more of these then. और क्या चाहिए? Right? हो गया अब, ठीक है. But thank you. I love you guys. Subscribe. Ask your friends to subscribe. We'll keep doing these reviews. Plus, we'll put out some travel videos pretty soon also. Do keep checking it out. And do let me know if you want to see more of Puneet Khanna.